तो कैसे आप
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Okay, welcome dear subscribers and viewers. Once again, I am back, your tutor, one and only KUNDAN PRASADSH Kundan Prasad Shah. तपाईहरुको लागि म एकदम I have brought easy and a small step to make you good speaker of English. गुड स्पीकर बनाउनको लागि आप लोगों के लिए हम ले आए हैं एक छोटा सा मेथड जिससे आप लोग फटाफट इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं र तपाईहरु पनि बोल्न सक्नुहुन्छ फटाफट इंग्लिश. It's not necessary to join the coaching classes. You can learn, you can improve your English at your home through the help of my video. For this, you have to subscribe this video, like and share. So my dear listeners, students and viewers, for you, easy method to learn English, small step, make you good English speaker. And it's a basic skill to learn English. धेरै जना विद्यार्थीहरूले भन्छन् सर इंग्लिश कसरी सीखने, हम इंग्लिश कैसे सीख सकते हैं, क्या तरीका अपनाएं कि हम इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं घर बैठे बैठे. तो मैं बताना चाहता हूं आप लोगों के लिए कि तपाईहरु घर बसी बसी मजाले इंग्लिश बोल्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You just asked me, how can I improve my English, sir? And how can I have a better performance in the English language, both verbally and in the written form? So my dear students, it's an easy way. You can learn English, you can perform English language at your home with these small steps. Lack of board. Although I am trying verbally to make you able to be good speaker, so listen me carefully one by one. Okay, first of all, you should always try to communicate in English with your English teacher and friends. सबभन्दा पहिले तपाईहरु के गर्नु भन्दाखेरि आफ्नो अंग्रेजी शिक्षकसँग र अंग्रेजी बोल्ने साथीहरुसँग इन्टर्याक्ट गर्नु, कन्भर्सेसन गर्नु, इंग्लिश बोल्ने प्रयास गर्नु. यसले तपाईलाई इंग्लिश बोल्नमा सहयोग पुर्याउँछ. दोस्रो, you should always try to communicate in English with your English teacher and friends. That's all. Next thing, listening to radio program in English could be an interesting way to learn English. भन्छ नि इंग्लिशमा न्यूज आउने बित्तिकै रेडियोमा, इंग्लिशमा न्यूज आउने बित्तिकै टेलिभिजनमा वाकी लाग्छ. होइन, नेभर डू दैट. टेलिभिजनमा रेडियोमा इंग्लिश कार्यक्रमहरू आउँदैछ भने त्यो सुन्ने प्रयास गर्नु. That will improve your English language and make you good English speaker. के बुझ्नुभयो? जसरी मन्त्र हुन्छ नि, मन्त्र, यो मन्त्र हो, इंग्लिश सिक्ने मन्त्र हो. जादु मन्त्र जसरी हुन्छ नि त्यस्तै इंग्लिश सिक्ने एउटा यो जादु हो, मन्त्र हो. Copying people could be effective to improve pronunciation. Copying other people. कुनै मान्छे बोल्दैछ, कोही बोल्दैछ, त्यसलाई कपी गरेर आफ्नो प्रोनाउन्सिएसन शुद्ध र उच्च पार्न सकिन्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल, COOD, it is cooked, but some of the students they say cooked. So it's not a cooked, it's a cooked. In the same way, SHOULD. Some of the students say should, WOULD, would. It's not a should, would. It's should, it's would. In the same way, KNIFE, it's not a knife, it's a knife. So these are the, for example, heart, HEAT, heart, dil, just like हामी मुटु भन्छौँ. Most of the students say heart. It's not a heart, it's heart. Okay. In the same way, some of the students say boy, 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 boy. It's not a boy, it's a boy. So copying the people could be effective way to improve your pronunciation. अरू मान्छेले बोलेको सुनेर पनि हामीले आफ्नो pronunciation उच्चारण शुद्ध पार्न हामी सक्छौँ. Use of English dictionary. My dears, buy a well English dictionary where you can find part of speech of all words with an examples. Dictionary मा तपाईहरुले यो noun हो कि pronoun हो कि adjective हो कि adverb हो, यो सबै dictionary मा you can find there. र example पनि दिएको हुन्छ dictionary मा. यसले तपाईलाई English बोल्न सहयोग पुर्याउँछ. In the same way, talking with foreigners. Okay, talking with foreigners. विदेशीहरुसँग भेट्नु भयो भने just try to talk with them. उनीहरुको expression, हावभाव, body language, okay, body language, हावभाव कस्तो छ, that you can copy from the foreigners. That will also help you to improve your English language both verbally and in written form. My dear listeners and viewers, you should watch audio video classes. For example, you can watch English film, you can listen English song. That will help you to, that makes you innovative. Listening English song, English video, English film, that will develop your English language class. At last, what I want to say you that, dear listeners and viewers, at last, what I want to say you that, be Eklavya. Have you heard the name of Eklavya? Eklavya को नाम सुन्नु भएको छ? जसले गुरु द्रोणाचार्यको फोटो बनाएर आफै धनुविद्या सिके. In the same way, stand in front of the mirror, ऐनाको अगाडि उभिने, and try yourself to speak from inside of your heart. That will help you to develop your English language. So for today, this is all. Next time I will come with next video. Till then, keep watching this video and never forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you. All the best.